Hi guys, I have so many crayons. 200 with Crayola. This is my favorite thing and unboxing fan. And I have so many colors like this. Or so many everyone to goes in my color. I have sky blue or tan and so many and scarlet, violet red, Bristeria and Timberwolf and indigo and some green yellow and some gray grays and sino ba yan? Johan? Dandelion too and Johan help the car and some siluran. Wag mo muna ang anuhin ng shiny and so many colors like yellow na. Hindi iya orange yellow ba yan? Hindi yan. At ito pink. Ito din dito ring pink. Ito Dazzle rose. Pang pink, di ba? And this is look like a fiddler and that guy and like this is an unboxing. When I have old crayons like I have sharpener too. But I have so many crayons I do have and go now and for my videos subscribe my video and go to my video channel and my name is Johan Jo in my video and vlog now in your own.